early in the morning. Right now it is 4:32. I was up about 3 o'clock, 3:30 to get ready. We are going to put on the water extra early today, and you guys are in for a treat today. I have a special feeling that we are going to catch some big fish today. In the meantime, you guys hold tight, and we are going to get on the water. So next time you guys see me, I will be unloading and I will be on the water, hopefully catching that next big bass. You guys stay tuned. Yeah, really nice smallmouth. Holy hell. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but wow. No jig. Really nice fish there. That's good fish. All right. So guys, I'm throwing like a Z-Man Ned jig, not sure what they call it, and then just a Bass Pro, I'm not sure what they call these either, but it's a Sticko, but it's the twin tail on it. But that's where I've been catching all my fish, and that's what I caught that 16-incher on too. So looks like I'll be fishing this a little bit. Just bouncing it off the bottom, slow. Starting to heat up now. Largemouth. Yep. Bad little guy. I got another big one. We got a double. Yeah. Hey, I got one with you, Ryan. Probably another 16. Yeah. We got a double. Ryan Walker over there has a nice big one too, as well. That's what we're talking about. Nice river smallies right there. Come get some all day long. Beautiful fish. And like always, we're gonna free that fighter. Gotta love it. About 13.
Man, he hit that little John MD like a freight train.
It's a nice fish.
My biggest the other day. You got a board, don't you?
Yep. Oh, he might be a little longer than that. It. I don't know, but no. Holy cow! Yeah. That new one he just gave us. Yep. He's not hung on very well. Actually, yeah, he is. He's both trebled. If you want to come here. Yeah. Hip. Just gonna throw that there. Oh, look how pretty he is.
See, he's got that. He's got. I can get it, Ryan. I'm gonna let your boat go. I can hold it.
That'll be an interesting video.
What?
All up in the air.
You're gonna edit him anyway.
Yeah.
Let's get him out. Let's talk about that crankbait.
Yeah. Not my first rodeo.
Hey Josh, what is that? What did he take?
He took a, well, Jeff, what did he take? It's a stone roller crankbait, shallow diver crankbait.
That's a knockoff of the Mega Bass Flat Slap. It's a new pattern I come up with. We're just now testing them out today. And I guess it works.
It does work.
It does work.
They got awesome action.
Let's see real fast here. Make sure it didn't come out of my hand. 13 3/4. Not a bad little fish. And what we like to do is we want to free the fighter. Whenever you're ready. Come on.
Yeah, let him go. He'll go. He'll take off like a rocket.
There he goes.
Boom, dude. Awesome.
Love it. Holy cow.
Hit it like a spray.
Yeah.
Can, didn't he?
Well, they're hanging out in that, and I mean, they have to swim hard. But I almost got it to the boat when he hit it too. That's why I went, holy cow.
All the way up.
Yeah, scared me.
I like the action of those. That's one of the reasons I've been pushing. I think that even if it's not that pattern, that's going to be a hell.
So what's the proper name?
Oh my God! Oh!
I wonder what bleeping I should do, like a car horn?
I'm not kidding you.
We were just talking about a tube.
Holy crap.
A tube?
17 and a half. I'm gonna. Tube. That bitsy tube. That
What-
little bitty TRD bitsy tube and peanut butter and jelly.
What did we say?
I gotta get. We can't have the hook in the mouth in the river bass.
Let me get one more. Lighting's better. Good. Look how
Oh man, I am
fat
hung up.
he is.
Look at that.
It'll come off.
Huh?
Get that fish shot, and you're careful with your phone.
Yep, just dead nuts 17 and a half. Folks, Ryan Walker with Ozarks Smallmouth Alliance, and this is why we free the fighter. That's 17 and a half inches of pure Ozarks bronze. You gotta let these fish go if they're gonna get this big. What an incredible creature. We're gonna let them go.
Great markings on it too.
Oh, he's beautiful.
That's why we do it. You done yet?
I have not begun to fight.
This one's real pretty. Not big, but markings on it. Yeah. Ooh. All right. Come to the boat. Come to the boat. Come. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the colors.
Yeah. Go get caught another day, buddy.
Dewey Maple's son.
All right. That's a decent sized fish, boys.
Jig.
Yep. He's not hooked very well. Oh, God. Stay down, stay down, stay down. No, don't you dare.
15 or 16.
Yeah. Oh, going to my boat.
Yeah. Hey, Tall Bridge is just around that corner, Brian.
Sorry.
Oh, we're all fucked up, dude.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, we have a mess.
No.
There we go. Nice fish, brother.
Golly.
I need to switch over to the damn jig. He's fat, too. That thing's fat. Look at him. Booty on him.
Hello everyone. It's been a heck of a day, and I think we're getting ready to wrap it up. We're pretty close to our takeout here, but it's been a fairly productive day. Beautiful morning. Bite was a little slow in the morning, but other than that, we kind of sped up and we had a lot of fun. Something I didn't get in is I went to get in my boat at one time and found a snake in my boat, which that's always fun. But other than that, it's been a great time. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and until next time guys, make your own adventure.